Have you ever gone to bed feeling tired, fallen asleep without a problem, and then suddenly your eyes open at 2 or 3 in the morning? The room is quiet, but your mind feels strangely alert. Your heart may be beating a little faster. You turn the pillow, check the clock, and try to fall back asleep, but your body refuses. If this happens often, you might think it is stress, anxiety, or simply getting older. Many people over 50 believe that broken sleep is just a normal part of aging. But what if your body is actually sending you a signal? What if that 2 or 3 a.m. wake up is not random at all? For many people, the hidden cause is something most never consider: blood sugar. While you sleep, your body still needs a steady supply of glucose to keep the brain stable. But if blood sugar drops too low during the night, your body treats it like a small emergency. It releases stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline to push sugar back into the bloodstream. Those hormones are powerful. They wake the brain, raise the heart rate, and suddenly your deep sleep is gone. But here is the part. Certain foods can help keep your blood sugar steady through the night. When glucose stays stable, the brain feels safe, stress hormones stay quiet, and the body remains asleep. In this video, we will count down 5 foods that support balance, and food 1 might surprise you. Food number 5 is edamame, a simple yet powerful plant-based food that often goes unnoticed but can make a significant difference for your nighttime blood sugar. These young soybeans are rich in protein, fiber, and magnesium, a combination that works quietly in the background while you sleep. Many people don't realize how much their evening meals affect the hours that follow. A plate full of pasta or bread can spike your blood sugar and then, a few hours later, trigger a sudden drop. That drop is exactly what can wake you in the middle of the night, leaving your body alert, your mind racing, and your sleep shattered. Edamame helps prevent that cycle by slowing digestion and releasing glucose steadily, keeping your body nourished without shocking your system. Protein plays a vital role here. It slows the pace at which sugar enters your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. When blood sugar stays steady, your body doesn't feel the need to release stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These are the same hormones that jolt you awake at 2 or 3 a.m. Fiber in edamame also supports this steady release, allowing the digestive system to work smoothly and avoid the disruptions that can pull you out of restorative sleep. Eating edamame in the evening, either lightly salted or mixed into dinner, is a simple, practical way to apply this knowledge and take control over how your body behaves overnight. Magnesium is another key reason edamame is so effective. This essential mineral relaxes the nervous system, helping muscles release tension and signaling the brain that it's safe to rest. Studies have shown that magnesium supports both sleep quality and blood sugar stability, which means one small habit can target 2 of the main reasons people wake at night. It's a gentle, natural intervention, but it empowers you to reclaim the hours of rest your body craves. The beauty of edamame is how easy it is to integrate. A small handful as an evening snack or a side to your dinner doesn't feel like a major lifestyle overhaul, yet it provides lasting benefits. You're not just adding a food, you're giving your body a tool to stay calm, balanced, and asleep. Many people are surprised that such a modest change can prevent those restless, frustrating wake-ups that seem unavoidable after certain dinners. As you start to consider incorporating edamame into your routine, notice how it complements the other foods we'll explore next. Each one builds on the last, forming a system of support for your body's natural rhythms. Food number 4 continues this journey, bringing another surprising ally that works in harmony with what you just learned. By layering these choices, you're not just addressing blood sugar, you're creating a foundation for calm, uninterrupted sleep and a sense of control over your health that can transform your nights and energize your days. Food number 4 is buckwheat, a humble grain that may surprise you with its ability to support calm, uninterrupted sleep. Many people believe that eating carbohydrates in the evening is harmful, yet not all carbs are created equal. Buckwheat is a slow-digesting, complex carbohydrate, which means it releases energy gradually instead of spiking blood sugar and triggering a rapid crash. This slow, steady supply of glucose provides the brain with what it needs to maintain deep sleep cycles, preventing those frustrating wake-ups in the middle of the night. When your brain's energy supply remains balanced, it can focus on repair and restoration rather than signaling stress responses that disturb your rest. The science behind this is clear. Foods with a low glycemic index, like buckwheat, avoid the sharp peaks and valleys in blood sugar that leave many people wide awake at 2 or 3 a.m. Buckwheat also brings fiber, magnesium, and plant compounds into the mix, all of which help stabilize metabolism and calm the nervous system. Fiber slows digestion, magnesium relaxes muscles and supports nervous system balance, and plant compounds reduce inflammation that can interfere with sleep. Together, they form a natural safety net, holding your blood sugar steady while your body settles into deeper, more restorative rest. Imagine this: a warm, simple serving of buckwheat with your evening meal or as a light late-night option. It's not just food, it's a tool to protect your sleep. Many people overfill their plates with quick-digesting carbs that can trigger midnight wake-ups, unknowingly sabotaging the very rest they seek. Buckwheat works differently. It provides nourishment that is gentle on the body, sustaining glucose at a level that keeps stress hormones calm and your heart rate steady, allowing you to drift into uninterrupted slumber. Understanding this shifts the way you think about nighttime nutrition. Balanced carbohydrates are not the enemy. They are allies when chosen wisely. Your brain needs a steady supply of glucose at night to perform essential maintenance, repairing cells, consolidating memories, and regulating hormones. Without it, even a well-intentioned healthy diet may leave you struggling with fragmented sleep. Buckwheat offers a simple, accessible solution, blending naturally with dinner or a small evening dish to maintain stability while you rest. By embracing foods like buckwheat, you're taking an active step toward reclaiming your nights. You're telling your body that it can trust the energy it receives, that it doesn't need to panic and release stress hormones when blood sugar dips. This small, intentional choice builds a foundation for deeper, more consistent sleep and empowers you to feel in control again. Food number 3 will continue this journey, adding another layer of support for your body's natural rhythms so you can gradually transform restless nights into rejuvenating rest. Food number 3 is tofu, a simple, versatile food that quietly supports your body's nighttime rhythm in ways many people overlook. Tofu is a complete plant protein, which means it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to function and repair while you sleep. Many of these amino acids are building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that signal your brain it's time to relax. When these signals are balanced, the nervous system settles. Stress hormones like cortisol remain calm and deep, restorative sleep becomes possible. For those who wake at 2 or 3 a.m. feeling restless or alert, the lack of these supportive nutrients may be a hidden culprit. Protein-rich foods like tofu also help prevent overnight hunger signals that can disrupt sleep. Without enough evening protein, your body senses a shortage of fuel and responds by releasing cortisol, the stress hormone that can jolt you awake and keep you alert. This is one reason people sometimes wake up hungry in the middle of the night despite eating dinner. By including tofu in the evening, you provide a steady source of protein that fills this gap, keeping both your metabolism and nervous system in balance. You are not just eating to feel full, you are giving your body the tools it needs to stay calm and rested. Tofu also delivers magnesium and calcium, minerals essential for muscle and nerve regulation. Magnesium relaxes tense muscles and calms neural activity, while calcium works closely with magnesium to support proper signaling throughout the nervous system. Together, these minerals make the body more responsive to natural sleep cues. It's not magic, it's biology. When your muscles are relaxed, your heart rate is steady, and your brain receives the right signals, sleep happens naturally. Tofu provides a practical, accessible way to support this process, without relying on medications or complex routines. Incorporating tofu into dinner can be simple and enjoyable. A light stir-fry with vegetables, a refreshing tofu salad, or even marinated cubes lightly pan-seared are all ways to make this nutrient-rich food part of your evening. Small choices like these can transform your nights. You are not just eating, you are actively supporting the body's ability to maintain stable blood sugar, calm stress responses, and promote uninterrupted rest. Over time, these habits send a powerful message to your body: you are in control, and restful sleep is possible again. As we move to food number 2, keep in mind how tofu has set the stage for hormonal calm and metabolic stability. Each food builds on the last, creating a layered approach that empowers you to reclaim your nights, feel more energized in the morning, and slowly reshape how your body experiences rest. By understanding and applying these principles, you can break the cycle of wakeful nights and awaken to a more balanced, peaceful body. Food number 2 is hummus, a humble yet surprisingly powerful snack that can quietly stabilize your blood sugar and support restful sleep. Hummus combines chickpeas with healthy fats and fiber, creating a slow-release energy effect that keeps glucose levels steady throughout the night. Many people don't realize that what you eat in the evening can have a major impact on how well you sleep. When blood sugar dips too low while you rest, the body interprets it as a small emergency, releasing stress hormones that pull you out of deep sleep. Hummus helps prevent this by providing balanced macronutrients that nourish your body gradually and prevent those sudden spikes and crashes that lead to restless wake-ups. Chickpeas, the main ingredient in hummus, are not only rich in protein and fiber, but also provide vitamin B6, a nutrient essential for the production of serotonin. Serotonin is the neurotransmitter that signals calm and relaxation to the brain, and it's a precursor for melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep cycles. By including hummus in your evening routine, you are offering your body both a steady energy source and a gentle nudge toward relaxation. Many people struggle with wake-ups or light sleep because their brains are reacting to subtle energy fluctuations. Hummus addresses this directly and naturally, without the need for pills or elaborate routine. Healthy fats in hummus, like olive oil or tahini, further slow digestion and support satiety. This means your body is less likely to trigger hunger signals in the middle of the night, which can release cortisol and disrupt deep sleep. Pairing hummus with vegetables or whole grain crackers makes it easy to enjoy as a small evening snack without feeling like you're overloading your system. These simple choices empower you to take control over your nights, turning what might feel like a random struggle into a predictable, manageable routine. Incorporating hummus into your evenings is not about drastic change. It's about subtle, intentional adjustments that build a stronger foundation for your sleep. You are teaching your body to trust that energy will remain stable, that stress hormones don't need to surge, and that deep rest is achievable. Over time, these small, mindful choices compound into meaningful improvements in both sleep quality and overall well-being. Hummus demonstrates how something as ordinary as a plant-based snack can become an essential tool for nighttime stability and calm. As you consider adding hummus to your evening, remember how it complements the foods we've already explored. Each choice layers support for blood sugar and relaxation, creating a system that encourages restorative rest. The final food, number 1, brings another surprising benefit that completes this lineup, giving you the ultimate ally for peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Food number 1 is pistachios, a small but powerful nut that deserves the top spot for nighttime support. Unlike many snacks, pistachios bring a unique combination of nutrients that directly influence both sleep and blood sugar balance. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which slow digestion and provide a steady supply of glucose throughout the night. This steady energy release helps prevent the sudden drops that can trigger stress hormones, which often wake people up at 2 or 3 a.m. What makes pistachios truly remarkable, however, is their natural melatonin content, a hormone your body produces to signal that it's time to sleep. Research shows that pistachios have one of the highest natural melatonin concentrations among nuts, meaning just a small handful before bed can help synchronize your internal clock and improve sleep cycles. Many people struggle with restless nights and assume it's just age or stress, but pistachios demonstrate how nutrition can play a subtle yet profound role. The combination of protein and healthy fats not only stabilizes blood sugar, but also supports the body's natural sleep hormones, creating an environment where your brain and body feel safe to rest. Imagine a night where you drift into sleep without the usual jolt of cortisol from low glucose, or the restlessness that comes from a racing mind. That's what adding pistachios can help achieve. They offer a practical, accessible, and entirely natural tool for reclaiming your nights, empowering you to take control over an aspect of your health that often feels uncontrollable. It's helpful to put this all into perspective by reviewing the lineup of foods we've explored. Starting with number 5, edamame provides plant protein and magnesium to calm the nervous system. Number 4, buckwheat offers slow digesting carbohydrates to maintain steady glucose and support deep sleep. Number 3, tofu delivers amino acids, magnesium, and calcium to regulate metabolism and prevent hunger signals that disrupt rest. Number 2, hummus combines chickpeas, fiber, and healthy fats to create balanced, slow-release energy while supporting serotonin production for relaxation. And finally, pistachios, which cap the list with their unique melatonin, protein, fiber, and healthy fats, addressing both blood sugar stability and natural sleep hormone support. Together, these foods create a cohesive approach to nourishing the body at night, transforming the way you experience rest. Nighttime awakenings may not be random at all. In fact, for many people, these disruptions are tied directly to how their body handles blood sugar and hormonal signals. When glucose dips or spikes unexpectedly, the body reacts as though under stress, releasing hormones that interrupt sleep. By intentionally incorporating these 5 foods into your evening routine, You are not only feeding your body, you are training it to maintain balance while you rest. You gain the ability to reduce those frustrating wake-ups, reclaim energy, and feel more in control of your nights and days. This is a gentle, practical way to support health without medication or complicated regimens. Start with small steps, a handful of pistachios before bed, a portion of edamame with dinner, or a light tofu stir-fry in the evening. Notice the subtle changes in your sleep quality and adjust as needed. The goal isn't perfection but progress, building habits that reinforce stability and calm. Over time, these choices compound into meaningful improvements in rest, mood, and overall well-being. You have the power to transform restless nights into peaceful sleep by understanding the connection between food, blood sugar, and natural sleep cycles. If you found this guide helpful, consider experimenting with these foods yourself and observing how your body responds. Share your experiences, engage with others who are navigating similar challenges, and remember that reclaiming your nights is entirely possible with small, intentional steps. If you want more practical strategies for better health, sleep, and energy, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected. Your body is capable of restoring its rhythm, and with these simple, science-backed foods, you can take charge and sleep with confidence once again.